Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss the problem based on complex integration. Now first problem. First problem, integrate fz equal x square plus ixy from point A 1, 1 to point B 2, 4 along the curve x is equal to t, y equal to t square. Now solution is, since x is equal to t, y equal to t square, that is dx is equal to dt. Now dy is equal to 2t dt. Point A 1, 1 at t is equal to 1 and point B 2, 4 at t is equal to 2. Integration a to b fz dz equal a to b fz x square plus ixy dt plus 2ti dt. This is equal to integration 1 to 2. Now this convert into t square I t cube 1 plus 2ti dt equal 1 to 2 t square minus 2t to the power 4 plus I t to the power 3 plus 2t to the power 3 bracket close. Now dt, this is equal to t to the power 3 upon 3 minus 2 t to the power 5 upon 5 limit 1 to 2 plus I 3 into t to the power 4 upon 4 limit 1 to 2. This is equal to 1 upon 3. Now putting the limit, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 minus 1 minus 2 by 5, 2 to the power 5 32 minus 1 plus 3 by 4 I 2 to the power 4, that is 16 minus 1. This is equal to 7 by 3 minus 62 upon 5 plus 45 I by 4. Now solving this, we get minus 151 upon 5 plus 45 upon 4 I. This is the complete solution. Now next problem. Problem number 2. Evaluate the integral integration over contour C z modulus dz, where C is the contour. Number first, the straight line z equal minus I to z is equal to I. Number second, the left half of the unit circle z modulus is equal to 1 from z equal to minus I to z is equal to I. Answer. The straight line z equal minus I that is x is equal to 0, therefore dz equal to I dy. Now integration over contour C z modulus dz integral. Now y varies minus 1 to plus 1. Now y varies minus 1 to plus 1. Iy modulus I dy. Now put the value of z is equal to minus I, z is equal to the straight line, z is equal to minus I to plus I, therefore z equal to Iy. Now putting the Iy, now dz is equal to I dy, therefore modulus of I equal to plus 1. Now we break the integral limit minus 1 to 0. The value of modulus y is equal to minus I dy as it, plus limit 0 to 1. The value of modulus y I dy as it. This is equal to minus I y square by 2, limit minus 1 to 0, plus I y square by 2, limit 0 to 1. This is equal, lower limit, upper limit will be 0. Now lower limit minus I by 2, now plus I by 2, therefore minus I by 2, this is equal to minus minus plus by the lower limit. Therefore complete solution, the integration over contour C z modulus dz will equal to I. Now second part, the left half of the unit circle z is equal to 1 to z is unit circle z is modulus is equal to 1 from z is equal to minus I to z is equal to plus I. Therefore for a point on the unit circle z modulus is equal to 1, therefore z is equal to e to the power I theta. Now dz is equal to I e to the power I theta d theta, where theta varies minus 0 to pi. In 4 complete circle, but there is taking only minus I2 plus I, that is left half of the unit circle. Then limit of theta 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is points z equal to minus I to z is equal to I, corresponding theta equal to 3 pi by 2 and theta is equal to pi by 2. Integration over contour C z modulus dz, this is equal to 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2. Z modulus e to the power I theta. Now dz I theta d theta, this is equal to 1. Now I is outside of the integral since theta is variable. E to the power I theta upon I, limit 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now I cancel by this, therefore e to the power I pi by 2 minus e to the power I 3 pi by 2, this equivalent to the value of e to the power I pi by 2, that is I, plus minus e to the power value of 3I pi by 2 will be minus I, now plus I, therefore 2I. This is the complete solution. Now problem third. Evaluate the integral integration over C log z dz, where C is the unit circle, z modulus equal to 1. Now solution: integration over C log z dz. Now for unit circle, that is z modulus is equal to 1. Now integration over contour C, putting the value of z, that is x plus iy. Now dz as it, this is equal to integration over the contours. Now we use the formula log x plus iy is equal to 1 upon 2 log x square plus y square plus I tan inverse y upon x. Therefore 1 upon 2 log real part square plus imaginary part square plus I tan inverse imaginary part upon real part. Now dz is as it, since x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now log 1 is 0, therefore first integral will be vanished. Now we get this is equal to I integration over C tan inverse y upon x dz. This is equal I integration tan inverse. Now by polar coordinate, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Now r is equal to 1 for given unit circle, therefore y, now we put sin theta, sin theta upon cos theta. Now dz, since z is equal to e to the power I theta, Now dz equal to e to the power I theta I d theta. Now I integration over limit 0 से 2 pi. Now contour integration curve into unit circle integral. Now limit of theta 0 to 2 pi tan inverse tan theta e to the power I theta d theta. Now I into y, that is I square, always minus 1. Integral limit 0 to pi theta e to the power I theta d theta. Now integrate by two parts. Theta is first part, first term, or e to the power I theta is second term, minus first term as it integration of second term, minus differentiation of first integration of second 2 times, that is minus 1, limit 0 to 2 pi. This equal to minus 2 pi e to the power 2 pi 1. Now when theta is equal to 0, value will be 0. Now minus minus plus e to the power 2 pi 1 minus e to the power 0 1. This is equal to 0 upon I. Therefore 2 pi I, since 1 upon I is equal to minus I, minus minus plus. This is the complete solution. Now second problem, that is problem number 4. Evaluate integral limit 0 to 3 plus I z square dz along number first the line y equal to x by 3. Second part, the real axis to 3, and then vertically to 3 plus I. Now third part, the parabola x equal 3y square. First part. Now the problem can be explained by using the graph 0, x-axis, y-axis, that is origin. Now y is equal to x by 3, point A, point B, point C, the position of A point 3, 0, position of B 3, 1, now C 0, 1. Now first part, integration over 0 to 3 plus I z square dz. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 3 plus I. Now value of z x plus I y whole square. Now dz dx plus I dy. Since z equal to x plus iy equal to x plus ix by 3. Now dz equal 1 plus I by 3 dx. Therefore integration convert into x only variable. The limit of x varies 0 to 3. Now z square x plus I x by 3 whole square dz 1 plus I by 3 dx. This is equal to 1 plus I by 3 whole square. Integral limit 0 to 3 x square 3 plus I upon 3 dx. Now 3 plus I whole cube upon 27. Now integration of x square x cube upon 3 limit 0 to 3. This is equal to 27 upon 27 into 3 plus I whole cube. Now 27 cancelled by 27. Now 3 plus I whole cube, this is equal to plus 27I minus 9 upon 3. This is equal to 18 plus 26I upon 3. This is equal to 6 plus 26 upon 3I. This is the complete solution. Now second part, the real axis to 3 and vertically to 3 plus I. Therefore integration over contour C z square dz. This is equal to integral OA z square dz plus integration AB z square dz. We consider this is equation number first. Now line 3 and vertical line 3 plus I. This is equal to line 3 or this is equal to 3 plus I. That is OA and AB line. Now along OA line, that is equation of OA, y is equal to 0. Therefore dx is equal to 0. Now dz convert into I dy. Y is equal to 0. dz convert only dx. Now x varies 0 to 3. Now integration OA z square dz. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 3 x square dx is equal to x cube upon 3 limit 0 to 3. This is equal to 9. Now along AB line. Now equation of AB, x is equal to 3. Therefore dx is equal to 0. Now dz convert into I dy. Now y varies from 0 to 1. Therefore integration over contour AB z square dz. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 3 plus IY whole square dz. Now I dy. This equivalent to I integral limit 0 to 1 9 minus y square plus 6 IY dy. This is equal to I 9y minus y cube upon 3 limit 0 to 1 plus 6iy square by 2 limit 0 to 1. This is equal I 9 minus 1 upon 3 plus 3i is equal to 3i. Now this equivalent to 26 by 3i minus 3. Now putting the value of first integral over OA and second integral over line AB. Now from equation number first, integration over contour CZ square dz, this is equal to 9 plus 26i upon 3. This is the value of first integral minus 3. This is equal to 6 plus 26 upon 3i. Now third part, along x equal to 3y square, therefore dx is equal to 6y dy. Now y varies 0 to 1. Y varies 0 to 1. Therefore dz is equal to 6y dy plus I dy. This is equal to 6y plus I dy. Integral limit 0 to 3 plus I z square dz. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 3y square plus iy whole square 6y plus I dy. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1. We multiplied both sides and we get only this value 9 y to the power 4 minus y square plus 6iy cube. Now 6y plus I as it. Now multiplied up. Now then we get 54 y5 minus 6y to the power 3 minus 6y to the power 3. This is the real part. Now imaginary part, 9y to the power 4 minus y square dy. Therefore 54 y to the power 6 upon 6 minus 12 y to the power 4 upon 4 limit 0 to 1 plus I 9 y to the power 5 upon 5 minus y to the power 3 upon 3 limit 0 to 1. This is equal to 9 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus I 9 by 5 minus 1 upon 3. This is equal to 6 plus I. This is equal to 8 upon 3. Sorry, 26 upon 3. That is 6 plus 26 upon 3i. Now problem next. Evaluate integral limit 0 to 4 plus 2i z bar dz along the curve given by z equal to t square plus it Answer: z is equal to t square plus it, that is z bar is equal to t square minus it. Now dz is equal to 2t plus I dt. We take x is equal to t square, y is equal to t, that is we explain this is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2. Now y is equal to x by 2 is equal to point B 4 comma 2. Now 4 comma 0, this is equal to point A origin, and C 0 comma 2 0 comma 2, or we can say point 0 0 comma 4 0 comma 4 comma 2 comma 0 comma 2 at t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 by putting x is equal to t square, y is equal to t in parametric form of the curve. Now integration 0 to 4 plus 2i z bar dz, this is equal to integral limit 0 to 2 t square minus k it 2t plus I dt. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 2. We multiply both bracket, then we get 2t cube plus it square minus 2it square plus t dt. This is equal to limit 0 to 2. Now real part 2t cube plus t. Now imaginary part minus it square dt. This equivalent to 2 to the power 4 upon 4 plus t square by 2 limit 0 to 2 minus it cube by 3 limit 0 to 2. This is equal to, by putting the value of the limit 8 plus 2 minus I 8 by 3, this is equal to 10 minus 8 by 3i. This is the complete solution. Now next problem. Problem number 6. Evaluate integration over contour C z modulus square dz around the square with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Answer: we construct the square. This is equal to origin, x-axis, y-axis. Now find A 1, 0, B 1, 1. Now C 0, 1. Therefore, we can explain integration over C z modulus square dz. This is equal to integral over OA plus integral over AB plus integral over CO BC plus integral over CO z modulus square dz. This is represented by equation number first. Now equation number now first integrate over contour OA. Now equation of OA y is equal to 0. Now z is equal to x, dz is equal to dx. Now x varies 0 to 1. Therefore integration over OA z modulus square dz, this is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 x square dx, this is equal to x cube upon 3 limit 0 to 1. Now 1 upon 3, this is equal to value of first integral. Now along AB, equation of AB, x is equal to 1, dx is equal to 0. Now dz convert into I dy, y varies 0 to 1. Therefore integration over AB z modulus square dz, this is equal to integral 0 to 1 plus iy modulus square I dy, this is equal to 1 plus y square I dy, integral limit 0 to 1, this is equal to I y cube upon 3 plus y limit 0 to 1, this is equal to 4y3 I. Now along BC, equation of BC y equal to 1, therefore dy is equal to 0. Now dz convert dx, therefore x varies 1 to 0. Therefore integration over contour BC z modulus square dz, this is equal to integration 1 to 0 x plus I modulus square dx, this is equal to x square plus 1 integration 1 to 0 dx, this is equal to x cube upon 3 plus 1 x limit 1 to 0, this is equal to minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, this is equal to minus 4y3 minus 4y3. Now equation of CO, x is equal to 0. Now dz converted into I dy, therefore y varies 1 to 0. Integration over towards CO z modulus square dz, this is equal to 1 to 0 I y modulus square I dy, this is equal to I modulus of I square is equal to 1. Now integral 1 to 0 y square dy, therefore I y cube upon 3 limit 1 to 0. Now I by 3. Now putting the value of 4 given integrals over OA, integrals over AB, integral over BC and integral over CO in equation number first, we get. Now from equation first, we get integration over contour C, z modulus square dz. This is equal to the value of first integral, that is over CA, is equal to 1 upon 3, plus value of second integral, that is integral over AB 4 by 3I, plus integral over BC minus 4 by 3, plus integral over CO, this is equal to minus I by 3. Now we calculate minus 1 plus I. This is the complete value of the integral over contour C, z modulus square dz, that is over given square. This is the value of integral around the given square, whose vertices are given. This is a complete solution.